Understanding the phrase, hero call, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we have a thrilling topic on our hands, the phrase, hero call. Now, this is a term you might have come across in movies, books, or perhaps even in casual conversations. But what does it really mean? Stick around as we unravel the mystery behind this intriguing phrase. Let's start by dissecting the term itself. Hero call is a compound noun, comprising two words, hero and call. Hero, in this context, doesn't necessarily refer to a superhero or a legendary figure. Instead, it implies taking a bold or brave action. Call, on the other hand, here refers to a decision or a judgment made in a particular situation. So, when combined, a hero call denotes a brave or bold decision made, especially when the odds are stacked against you. Interestingly, the term hero call has its roots in the world of poker. In a game of poker, a hero call is made when a player decides to call a bet with a weak hand, essentially gambling on the belief that their opponent is bluffing. It's a high-risk move that, if successful, can lead to a huge payoff. Over time, the term has transcended poker tables and found its way into broader everyday language. Nowadays, a hero call can refer to any bold decision or action taken in the face of uncertainty, with the person making the call banking on their intuition or gut feeling. For example, a businessman investing in a startup that everyone else is skeptical about is making a hero call. Similarly, a football coach deciding to play an inexperienced rookie in a crucial game is also making a hero call. Now that we understand what a hero call is, let's see how we can use it in a sentence. Despite the overwhelming evidence against it, Mark made a hero call and invested in the new technology, which eventually paid off. Everyone doubted the quarterback's ability, but the coach made a hero call and put him in the game, leading them to victory. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, hero call. Remember, a hero call is all about taking that leap of faith, trusting your instincts, and making a bold decision when everyone else might be hesitant. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.